Hey guys, Love Cardhuck here, and today I'm here with another Nendoroid unboxing. This time around we'll be unboxing the Nendoroid 989 Joker Nendoroid. So obviously this is from Persona 5, and I've been pretty excited for a Joker Nendoroid. Yeah, let's get right into it, because there's not much else to say about that. Of course, this is not the first Persona 5 Nendoroid to be released. They had the Sakura was also released, but I did not get Sakura. I am debating if I should now, but I'll see. I already ordered Queen, so we'll see how that goes. Most likely I will order it though, so if you guys want to see an unboxing of that, then feel free to drop a comment down below and let me know. If not, then that's fine too. Oh, alright, so let's check out what parts you get with this Nendoroid. So right off the bat, I see that there's 2 more legs that you get. That's kind of for a crouching pose. You get 2 more arms, bended arms. So this is not one of those super movable versions of the Nendoroids, which are pretty common nowadays. That has its pros and cons. The pros for the super movable ones is that they are super movable and you don't have to really exchange parts to make certain poses. Downside is that you do see the joints and they don't look as good when you take photos or if you display them, but anyway. Here we go. Here is the main figure. It's pretty, let's look up close up. He is pretty basic. The buttons look nice. His jacket looks pretty nice. It's black, so it's pretty hard to not do well. Yep, we got his collar, or no, his cuff. His cuff looks good too. There's not too much problems with the paint for this one, which Nendoroid sometimes do have problems with the paint because since they're pretty mass produced. Sometimes there's a little bit of bleed around some small areas. So if you want to change the face, you can, because you have 2. This one has 2 face plates and 2 hair pieces you can change. Let's see, so I think I'll just play him with his face. And, oops. There we go. I think I'll just play it like that. It's pretty good. Oh, you can change the eyes too. That's cool. Let's check out the extra pieces that you get inside. So, let's see. Yeah, so you get to change the color eyes of the eyes. Let's see how that works. we'll do that later. We'll look at the other pieces first. So you get this, which is when he takes off his mask and summons his persona. You get extra hands. Oops. So these two hands are for holding weapons. It's for holding the knife, and this is for holding the pistol. And this is just an extra joint for the arm. Go. Extra joint for the arm. And of course you get the weapon, his two weapons here. Oops. Got the knife. The gun. It's a very small gun. Might be pretty easy to lose, so you might want to be careful with that. And you get the very cool hand. Let's pop out. So let's check out. I think that's it for the main. The extra accessories. There's actually not much to him. That's why I think he's not too expensive, if I remember correctly. So if you look at the parts, that's all it gets. Go. Actually, there is this back part here, which is when he summons persona. Looks pretty dope. Of course, this one is made of plastic, unlike the Kizuna Eye one, which was made of paper, which I still don't really like. I don't even know what happened to it. I think I put it somewhere and just forgot where it is. Anyway, opening its stand. Is yeah, this part here, which is for the sheet. It's nice like that. Of course, there's a layer of plastic here, so you don't want to peel that off first if you're actually going to use it. I guess I'll do it now. Now it is prone to getting scratched, so be careful. But it does look nice right now. Go. And you get, of course, you get an extra peg for his head just in case yours snaps, which does happen sometimes. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I'm going to play around with him first, and then I'll come back with a review as usual. So I'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with the review for the figure. Overall, I think he is pretty nice, and I really like the parts that they gave him, but an issue I do have with him is that he's currently going for 4,444 yen, which is, I think, around the same price range as the Gilgamesh Nendoroid. But what I think is he doesn't have a lot of parts compared to some of the other Nendoroids that we got, and he only has one faceplate, extra faceplate, and I also think that he doesn't really have that many accessories to play with. So I think if he was a super movable edition one or a Heroes edition one, it would have been a little bit better, since you can play around with his posing a bit more. Right now, he does have a few arms that you can use, but it does feel a little bit restricted. So I'm not sure if giving him the normal posing hands was a good idea. But overall, I think he's still pretty nice, and that's one of the only gripes I have with him. You can still make some pretty cool poses with him, and I think if you guys are more interested in making him having more action-oriented poses, I think getting a Figma will be better. I personally did not order a Figma because Figmas are a bit more expensive, and I think if you want to have a larger collection while you're on a budget, I think having Nendoroids is a better option. They're also more cute, and sometimes I'll do a Figma video on another time. But I do collect Figmas, I just didn't get the Joker one this time around. I was planning to, but in the end I didn't. So maybe that was a decision that I might regret. But overall, I think if you're a fan of Persona 5, he's still a pretty nice addition to have to your collection. If you already have the Morgana and the Futaba Sakura Nendoroids, then definitely get this. Yeah, but I don't know what else to say. I wish they give him like another faceplate to make things a little bit more interesting, but 2 is enough, and including this one with the mask, I guess is a different faceplate, and you also have different color eyes, so I guess you get more combinations. I can see where they're coming from, but if they made this a little bit cheaper, maybe like 4,000 around 4,000 yen-ish, it'd be more justified for the price. But I guess it doesn't make too much of a difference, like $3 US, I think. But yeah, not much else to say about that. Overall, the rating, I will give this a 4 out of 5. The point deducted is because of, I feel like there's a lack of parts that they could have given him, and a lack of combination of hands. You get fist, open hand, and then his right hand you get the hand to hold the knife and the hand to hold the gun. I feel like if you give him just a more generic hand on the left hand to help him hold something, be a little bit better, but that's just my opinion. And yeah, I think if they give him his persona as another Nendoroid, you can have more interesting combinations. I think that's something they might do further on, just like how they released the Jotaro Nendoroid, but they don't have Star Platinum yet. So I think Star Platinum will be its own separate Nendoroid, just so they can get that money from you. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. A little bit short just because there's not too many things to review. But overall, I think I said overall a few times already. But yeah, it's very hard to have my actual thoughts on this right now. I think if I display him for a bit more, my opinions of him might change. Maybe at the end of the year, I'll do a recap of all the Nendoroids that I got, that I've opened, and I'll, do a reassessment on them, just to see how much fun I think they are. Because occasionally I'll take photos of them and have them interact with each other, just for fun. Haven't had much time to do it recently, just because I've been busy with work. but that's a video for another time. And yeah, I actually picked up a few Nendoroids today. I picked up the white blood cell. Picked up the white blood cell Nendoroid, which I might open later. So I did order him with the exclusive, and I also got the Merlin Nendoroid, the DX version. Caster Merlin, Magus of Flowers. So I got those two today also. So I might do unboxing of them. Let me know which one you want to see more, and I'll do unboxing. I'll probably open the Merlin for sure, because I will play him around with Saber, especially once my new Saber comes in. I did order the 300B, I think it's called, or 600B. It's a re-release. Well, it's not really a re-release because the parts are different, but it's another Saber figure, the normal Saber. But anyway, that's enough of that. That's not. This video is about Joker here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any other requests, feel free to let me know, because I do buy a lot of Nendoroids, but I don't really have time to open all of them. In fact, I still haven't opened my Riku and Sora Nendoroids yet, which I've been waiting for to open them, because Kingdom Hearts 3 is out, and I am playing Kingdom Hearts 3, but I haven't had time to open these things, and I don't have a place to put them. So yes, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Kartaku, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.